this video, my task is to discuss the concept and meaning of public relations. Here I am Dr. Shikha Datta. I am the instructor of this topic, or rather you can say the instructor of the subject. Public relation is an essential part of the marketing mix. It is an important tool needed and used by most companies, organizations to transform their performance. Public and private enterprises, corporations, government, NGOs, even individuals make use of PR for image building and enhancing their reputation. Public relation is all about publicity. Publicity is defined as any information, usually printed, which brings person, place, or things to the notice or attention of the public. In short, public relation means bringing to the attention of a defined target audiences a specific message by means or other than paid advertising. Now, paid advertising is the process of telling people about a product or service through announcements in the media, newspaper, magazines, radio, television, hoardings, and so on. Public relations has been defined as the deliberate, planned, and sustained effort to establish and maintain mutual understanding between an organization and its public. The word publics refers to certain groups of people and organizations. A public are of those groups of people with which it wants to be in communication, and this may include the personnel of the organization, its customers, suppliers, investors, communicators, and even the community. An individual may be member of two or more publics. He could be an employee of the company. He may own share in the company and may even be the residing in the same locality. Every organization has its own set of public, and some will be more important to it than others. Their relative importance will vary depending on the activities of the organization, current problem areas, and its impact on the public or target audience concerned. Effective public relations helps organizations to reach out and communicate with its publics in today's world of changing technology everywhere. Organization has to make extra efforts to persuade, convince the public. For this, an organization may employ a person or a department fully entrusted with the major tasks, and this personnel are professionally skilled with sound judgment, personal integrity, special knowledge of methods of communication, organizing ability, and a capacity for leadership. While public relation needs may differ from sector to sector, it is universal in the sense that creating awareness, visibility, keeping the target audience informed, and enhancing our company's image are basic characteristics. It's important to remember that effective public relation plans do not happen by chance, or nor do they simply materialize overnight. They require time, effort, and forethought. Public relations is the set of techniques and strategies related to managing how information about an individual or company is disseminated to public and especially the media. Its primary goals are to disseminate important companies' news, events, maintain a brand image, and put a positive spin on negative events to minimize their fallout. PR may occur in the form of a company press release, news conference, interviews with journalists, social media postings, or other venues.